first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in a leave-in conditioner. This is Unite. It's got everything in it. It has UV protection, heat protection, all the good things. Any type of leave-in conditioner is great for this. I'm just gonna spray it through. Just want to protect your ends as much as possible. And then I'm going to put in the ColorWow Dreamcoat, which is an anti-frizz, amazing treatment. It makes the hair super, super shiny when you blow dry it into the hair. Really great for frizzy, coarse hair, but I just want to use it today just to make the hair really nice and shiny. It's a nice prep. Chris Appleton uses it for J-Lo and Ariana Grande, so that's the look we're going for today. I'm just going to work it through. I can also put in like a protein treatment, but I'll skip that for now. I'll see if I need something else as I'm blow drying. Feeling like it's starting to dry because your hair is a little thirsty. So it's just drinking everything up. I'm gonna take some of this oil. I'm just gonna take a couple drops. Work it through. And I'm just gonna go on the areas where I see damage. So her damage starts from here down. I don't wanna put it up here because this is the thirstiest area. So I'm just gonna start here and then I'm just gonna twist it into the hair. Just so that when I'm going over it with the heat, I know that it's gonna work itself into the hair and make it super nice and shiny. You can already feel the hair, it feels like silk. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, so whatever's left over, I start to work it in through the rest of the blonde hair, especially around the front where the hair is really fragile, is where I want to work the oil through. Literally work everything through until there's no more oil left on my hands. Okay, so we're gonna section now and start blow drying. So just section off the front pieces. Clip this away. 2 clips because we've got a lot of hair. The bigger your brush, the straighter the hair, and I want the hair to be straight so I can cut it. And so this is the biggest brush I have. We're gonna go in the highest heat. And the reason for that is the way her hair grows. So if we pull this back, there's layers coming this way. You can see how beautiful this looks. But then this part, which is a good thing, she has a lot of hair in the front.
Covers it.
It covers it, and then it looks heavy.
Yeah.
And it's covering up the layers here.
Yeah.
So all we have to do is just take off this little piece.
Yeah.
You're not even gonna feel it.
Yeah.
But it's gonna blend everything in, and that's the little subtleties that you really feel after a haircut.
And a lot of the time, when I like do sometimes, I just like pin this part up.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't fall nicely. Like this part falls nicely.
Sometimes I'll spend an extra 15 minutes with clients just doing this part, and sometimes I'll cut right at the scalp.
Oh.
So I'll cut like little tiny little hairs here just to give you a little bit of lift there.
Yeah.